there are a lot of organs that are not as generally well known. For example, like the spleen. A lot of people have no idea. What is the spleen? Well, the spleen's interesting. We tend to have organs that are either single or they're paired. So we have paired kidneys, but a single heart. And when organs are single, they tend to be in the midline, like the heart, like the thyroid, like the pituitary, like the pineal. But there's one single organ that's not in the center. It's way off to one side, and that's the spleen. It's over here in the left, just under the ribs. And the spleen is a marvelous organ. It's really a blood filter. Blood passing through the spleen can have bad cells removed that are kind of worn out, or cells that might have antigen-antibody complexes in them, or any kind of particulate in the blood can be removed there. For example, we used to do an experiment in the med school, not an experiment, an exercise, with rats. And we'd feed them a diet that had trypan blue in it, which is a particulate dye. And the whole rat would turn blue. The tail would be blue, the nose is blue. Everywhere you could see skin, it was blue. But this dye would be removed from the blood and basically one pass through the spleen. So the spleen is a marvelous blood filter, sort of does for blood what the lymph node does for lymph going through our body. And in carnivores, it's interesting. The spleen is a very muscular organ, unlike in our body. It has a heavy muscular coat, and carnivores are used to kind of tearing one another apart a bit in their battles and mating and what have you. And the spleen is really like a blood transfusion organ. It has so many red blood cells in it that the muscles contract and squish this blood paste into the blood system, raising the red blood cell titer. In our body, we're probably more of a reservoir for platelets in our spleen than red blood cells, though there still is a lot of blood in the organ as well.